Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Webroot for device security and privacy. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Webroot official website URL and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign in or register option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the register option. You'll be directed to a new page where you need to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the website's security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. Next, fill in any additional information requested, such as your name and phone number. Read through the privacy policy and terms of service. If you agree, check the box to acknowledge your acceptance of these terms. After completing all required fields, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Webroot. Open the confirmation email and click on the provided link to verify your account. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Webroot website and log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, navigate to the product registration section. Enter the activation key if prompted, which you usually receive during the purchase of your Webroot product. Follow any additional prompts to complete the registration process. Once registered, explore the dashboard for options related to device security and privacy settings. Make adjustments to suit your device preferences and security requirements. Regularly check for updates to ensure your device remains protected. You are now fully registered with Webroot for device security and privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.